Need to reuse a quiz, assignment, rubric, page from another Canvas course, but don't want to bring over the whole thing? Let me show you how to copy just what you need. First, head to the course where you want the content to go, your new course. Click on Import Existing Content on the right. Choose Copy a Canvas course from the menu. Search for the course you want to pull content from. And be sure to choose Specific Content. Click Add to Import Queue, and it will pop up at the top of your queue. Click Select Content, and choose what content you want to move over. You can grab individual assignments, pages, even whole modules, whatever you need. Click Select Content, and wait for it to import. That's it. No need to rebuild from scratch. This is a great way to reuse and remix your best material without dragging in the stuff you don't need. Want more Canvas tips like this? Check out our CETL newsletter or swing by Library 119. We're always happy to help. Happy building!